Sir, you have to admit na parang may tinamaan na din yung image nung SMNI.
Yes.
The network is being painted as, as sabi nyo, people who are spreading disinformation or misinformation. And of course, humantog na dun sa religious leader nung network, si Pastor Paul Kibuloy, na who's being charged with a number of crimes. But, from someone who's known him for a long time, and we were talking earlier kanina, you had all these plans, di ba? Ano ba, I mean, as the PR guy, ano ba yung image that you're trying to project for the network and of course for Pastor?
We were preparing actually in the event na matapos yung 30 days.
Okay.
So we've started retraining, retooling our staff from engineering to production to news and public affairs. We were conducting seminars, workshop, tapos nahanda na rin namin pati yung pagbabago ng mga sets, and the introduction of new programs. Unfortunately nga, dumating yung cease and desist because, let's face it, the franchise which was granted to SMNI, to Suarasug, is for a commercial TV stations.
Right.
And totoo naman, na kailangan mo talaga ng kumita. So, itong goodwill na nakuha ng stasyon because of itong panggigipit, no?
Sure.
We have gathered so much goodwill.
Yeah.
So yun ang gusto namin sanang Ngayon, with respect to anong tawag nito, to Pastor Kibuloy, ang palagi naman ang hamon niya, sabi niya, ako naman, Jay, sabi niya, if they file the case, iharapin namin sa korte. But not before the bar of public opinion. Kasi nga, ang problema sa Senate natin at saka kahit na sa House, which is our experience, kahit na gusto mo magsalita kumisan, pag ayaw ka pasalitain,
pag ayaw nila yung
sinasabi mo, wala. So, yun nga, ang maganda lang, because after all the issues that were brought out against the good pastor, lumabas din yung mga yung series of pagpapatuto na hindi naman totoo yung akusasyon, no? So, kaya ang hamon, sige, kung meron pa kayong gusto, di isampan nyo na sa korte.
So, but how are you going about tong because this is a PR issue that you're handling with, may mga abogado naman, di ba?
Yeah.
So, parang, what's the effort to parang, I suppose, salvage the image of the network, or maybe, as you said, parang palakihin pa, building on some of that goodwill na earn over the years.
Ngayon, ang inaano namin ngayon, number one, we want a people's participation na. Hindi na lang namin ito laban. Laban na ng Pilipino. Kaya, we are asking our televiewers and those who are likely-minded, no? To write their congressman, their senators, and tell them to stop the shenanigans. I mean, para sa akin, kalokohan ito
Shenanigans talaga.
So, and when we started calling their attention, simula kagabi, sunod-sunod na. So, sabi namin, huwag na sa amin ipadala. Ipadala nyo sa mga congressman ninyo, sa mga distrito ninyo, sa mga party list ninyo, para malaman itong mga taong ito na hintuan na itong kalokohan ito. No, it's not good for democracy, it's not good for the Philippines. Ang inaano nila, we're not anti-government. As a matter of fact,
that's an interesting point because I've heard many times both former President Duterte and even Pastor Kibuloy saying that they're not against President Marcos. No.
As a matter of fact, ito ang katotohanan Baka hindi alam ng iba.
Yeah.
Ang totoo niyan, ito lang ang istasyon na sumuporta kay Bonget. And I would like to call him by first name kasi 7 buwan kami magkasama sa New York nung dinidinig yung kaso ng nanay niya, no? Sa federal court, no? Walang ibang tumulong sa kanya. At no expense, Clint.
Yeah.
No out-of-pocket from Partido Federal or from the Marcoses. Ako personally, kaya nga, ako sinisisi ng ibang tao, ikaw kasi kinampanya mo, you gave them the biggest audience outside of Metro Manila. We stopped the traffic for 8 hours in Davao del Sur.
Wow.
When they campaign.
Yeah.
No? And it took us more than 2 weeks to prepare the entire grounds.
Oo.
Wala na kami tulog doon. Pero, kaya nga, sabi ko nga sa kanila, hindi tayo magkalaban dito.
Yeah.
Magkakampi tayo kasi ang main objective talaga ng SMNI is nation building.
Yeah.
Kaya nga natin nilalabanan yung mga communist terrorist group kasi
Yeah.
sila yung
Naninira,
sinisira.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kaya natin nilalabanan yung mga corrupt, ini-expose natin, ni-report natin kasi gusto natin maging matino ang takbo. Yun ang tulong na magagawa natin kay Mr. Marcos, kay President Marcos.
But what do you make out of that? Ano, di ba? Sinulatan daw, or I think had written to Malacanang. As far as I know, I mean, you may have heard kung may response na, pero parang ang dinig ko, I'm not sure kung meron or wala. No? The fact na parang hindi pa inaksyonan, I mean, what do you make out of that?
Kasi kuwan yan process pa rin yun. Doon sa
Okay.
MTRCB, pagka meron silang desisyon, pwede kang mag-MR
Okay.
sa kanila, no, as a board. But kung hindi ka pa rin satisfied, you have to, ang last recourse mo, kumbaga sa Supreme Court,
Yeah.
Office of the President,
Okay.
which we submitted, no?
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa kaming natatanggap na response.
Yeah.
But,
How do you interpret that? Is that something na may laman ba yun na wala pang response, or talagang proseso lang yan, as you say?
Proseso lang. Ako ayaw kong pag-isipan ng masama ang aking
Okay.
kapwa. And I'm sure sa napakarami ng trabaho ni Justice Bersamin, baka hindi pa niya nakikita pa. Pero kung nanonood siya ngayon, tayo nananawagan kay Sir Luke, no? Na baka pwede niyang silipin at tingnan whether there was transgression or have we met the penalty required.
Sure.
If that is the case. Kasi katulad nung sa program ng Laban Kasama ang Bayan, no?
Yeah.
Kasi yung kuwan palagi kan sa masa.
Yeah.
Nung binabasa ko yung desisyon ng MTRCB for suspending it, is anchored on the case which was filed before the Quezon City Prosecutor's Office.
Na-dismiss na.
Na-dismiss na.
Yeah.
So kung na-dismiss na yon, wala nang predicate
Yeah.
dun sa desisyon.
Yeah.
So, kaya ako hopeful na knowing how judicious the former Chief Justice, baka makita niya yung konting pagkakamali ng mga tao nila doon sa anong pangalan nito.
Yeah, but how committed are you in this campaign? Kasi it's interesting that kanina you were recalling, no, this is not new because matindi pa nga pinagdaanan nyo during martial law years, di ba, na ano, do you feel the same commitment
Yes.
now na ano, how far will you go? I mean, malaki daw bayad siya, but how far, I mean, personally, would you commit
Alam mo,
to...
nakakatuwa yung bayad na yan mabuti binanggit mo.
Totoo ba yan? 1 million daw a month?
Actually, ang sasagot ko sana, pero baka ang ikinatatakot ko lang, baka mamaya mapikunan naman sila,
Okay.
sila mga congressman. Ang sagot ko sana noon, nung tinatanong ko magkano, sinabi ko naman, it's already in the contract
Yeah.
I could have answered, don't worry Mr. Chairman, it is less than 1% of the total travel expense budget of the House. Pero,
Baka ikaw yung na-contempt.
baka ako na-contempt. It's that one. Ang usapan kasi doon is, kumbaga parang acceptance.
Sure.
So, yun. Si JJ Suarez, anak ni Danny,
Yeah.
na kaibigan namin ng daddy mo.
Okay.
Kulit ng kulit.
I saw that.
Ewan ko kung tama yung dinig niya, pero ang alam ko sinagot ko, maybe baka mali ang dinig nila,
Yeah.
is 1 million for a month.
Okay.
Kasi yung first month lang yon.
I see.
So ang dinig naman ng iba, 1 million naman.
Okay.
So sabi ko, ang laki naman. No?
Pero how committed are you? I mean, parang hinambing mo kasi kanina sa martial law na kung darating tayo sa papakulong, handa. Pero I mean, do you feel the same way? Na,
Yes.
That's an incredible comparison to make.
Sabi ko nga tinayaan namin to nung martial law.
Oo.
Ang babata pa namin noon,
Yeah.
maliliit pa yung anak ko.
Yeah.
Ngayon, tapos na yung mga anak ko. I have a lawyer, an accountant,
Oo.
an economist. Kaya na lang mabuhay. Pwede na siguro.
Wala ka naintindihan.
Wala na ako intindihin.
Pero do you feel pressure? Is there an effort to intimidate you? Ano bang...
Wala naman.
Ano lang?
Wala naman. Personally, wala. Except for yung pagka nag-post ako sa
Social
page ko,
media, yeah.
they would send about 200 trolls.
Wow.
O same yung yung mga text ng kanilang Pero sabi ko okay naman, kasama sa laban yan eh.
Yeah.
Pero ako nananalig pa rin sa kabutihan ng tao.
Yeah.
I am still hopeful that the members of the House
Yeah.
would come to their senses
Yeah.
and think more doon sa hindi nakakaganda ito sa bansa eh.
Yeah.
Kasi ngayon napipigilan nila.
Oo.
But eventually, katulad nung nakaraan, at the onset of martial law, the international media will get hold of this. They can only pay so much. Alam mo naman yung PR sa Amerika.
Yeah.
When you stop paying them, they start writing the truth. So it's going to be very expensive for them to sustain it. But ako nga, sabi ko nga, I know most of these congressmen except for the new ones and those who belong to the Makabayan bloc. Mga matitinong tao ito.
Yeah.
Sila Gas Tambunting,
As you said,
sila
inalak mo
Johnny
pa.
Pimentel, oo.
Yeah.
I'm confident.
Pero are you at the point where nakikita mo na yung light at the end of the tunnel, kumbaga, or parang mahaba-haba pang labanan to? What's your estimation here?
Mahaba-haba na pwedeng umigsi. Pwedeng umigsi.
Okay.
Kasi ang problema nila is, hindi lang SMN na yung problema nila. Kung pinoproblema nila kami,
Oo.
na hindi naman dapat.
Oo.
As a matter of fact, if they are monitoring this program now, I would ask them to call on us.
Oo.
And we're willing to help them.
Oo.
Kasi nakita mo naman problema ng PCO ngayon.
Yeah.
Napakaraming assistant secretary, walang matinong communications from the office of the president.
Yeah.
I'm even willing to give them free workshop
Oo.
pro bono.
Oo.
Para lang gumanda yung image nila. Kasi at the rate things are going, andyan may pulburon ka, may kung anong-anong masisira presidente.
Well, how much worse can it get for the network? Ano bang tingin mo? I mean, kasi suspended na, naging indefinite, right? Tapos meron pang hearings pa sa House ngayon about the franchise itself.
Revocation, no?
How worse can it get? Paano pang pwede na lang tingin mong pwedeng iba to sa network?
Sa network?
Na kailangan paghandaan, tingin mo?
Wala na eh. Kasi when you indefinite na yung suspension eh.
Yeah.
Now, ang dapat nila paghandaan if the Supreme Court will reverse their action. Oo. Which to us is what we are praying for, no?
Oo.
Na sana dumating yung ako nga hindi ko na nga iniisip yun eh.
Oo.
Ayoko nang dumating doon sa kasi ang laking kahiyan pag naano sila ng Supreme Court.
Na-reverse, yeah.
Kasi katulad nung if you remember the case of Parmali,
Yeah.
yung Kinaong,
Oo.
di ba?
Yes.
Ang sama noon, yung sasabihan ka ng Supreme Court, uy,
Yeah.
magagaling na mga senador, humabuso kayo.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Pangit eh.
Yeah.
Kaya ako, I am appealing to the senses of the distinguished gentlemen of the House of Representatives to
Time mo contempt, ha?
Oo. Na pag-aralan nila. Unang-una, I know pag nandyan tayo sa mismong kwarto,
Sure.
talagang yung bragadosyo ninyo nandyan. Ano?
Political theater.
Oo, theater yan eh. Okay lang yan, tanggap namin yan. Kahit na magtaas kami na kamay, hindi kami tinatawag, okay lang yun. But may hantungan ng lahat.
Yeah.
At huwag niyong antayin na
Dumating dun sa...
dumating yung point na dadaan kayo sa tapat ninyo. Remember, you're up for re-election, most of you. If not you, your wife, or your mistresses, no?
Yeah.
Or your sons and daughters. Malapit na yun eh. October na yung filing ng Certificate of Candidacy. Baka mag-boomerang yan sa inyo. Kasi ang palaging iniisip ang reality kasi, di ba? Ang iniisip, yung mga senador, medyo sila, dahil national ang kanilang
Sure.
Pero ang congressman, iniisip lang, kahit na pa sabihin nyo sa amin, kahit sabihin nyo pang, ang dami-daming namin kaso sa ombudsman, sa Sandigan Bayan, kami pa rin ang hari sa aming distrito. Nangyayari yan eh. Look at the Hosons, di ba? Look at the mga pamilyang biglang nawala. May hantungan lahat eh.
Sabi nga ng iba, bilog ang mundo.